How to reset password in OKX app. First, you will download and install OKX app on your device. Then tap on Open button in order to get access to the application. And then you will reach on the welcome screen of OKX. Here you have to allow OKX to send you notifications. And now you need to click on sign up or login button. Enter your country or region. Then you need to check mark the box. Or else, if you already have an account, you need to tap on the login link below and then you need to enter your email or sub account email. Now tap the next button. Here you have to enter your login password. So in order to reset password, tap forget your password link. You need to check mark the small box to protect your account. So let's do it. Here you have to solve some of the puzzles and tap the OK button. Here you need to enter the code for phone authentications and email authentication. So let's enter the code. Once you copy the code, you need to get back to the same page and you need to easily re-enter or paste the code. Now tap on confirm button. Now you will reach on this page where you have to enter the new password following all the criteria. Now once you confirm the new password, tap the next button. And after a while, you need to log in with the help of the new password. So our password has been successfully reset. Tap on the OK button and here you can easily log in the password. Now tap on login button and you have successfully logged into your account on OKX. So that is how we reset password or recover the OKX account password. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.